Good day, team. This is Gavin Babulal, the Director of Solution Engineering and Product Development here at Lifeguard Solutions. Here again to show you exactly how easy it can be on the Lifeguard Solutions platform. Today, we're actually going to be going over observations and how easy it is to get into the system. So we're actually going to be starting off on a mobile device. This is my phone at this point. I can go through, and I'm actually using an Android, but the same is true on your iOS device. You can actually go through and access the individual Salesforce application at this point. And what we can start to see is as soon as this opens up, I can actually go in and select the individual application that I'm actually looking for. In this case, it's behavioral observations. Now, as soon as this comes up, I'm going to go through and I'm going to type in my specific individual location. And again, I can go through, if I have multiple of them, I can search for them. So in this case, I'm going to choose Canada. I can choose the individual observation type. So is it something positive? Is it something negative? In this case, I'm going to say it's a hazard, and I can go through and I can start to identify what the condition was. So we'll just say that unfortunately, this individual employee was not wearing the proper clothing. So we'll identify that and we'll say, there we go. And my initial recommendation. Perfect. So I have some basic information in here. Do I want to be contacted after the actual event or the observation's been looked at? Maybe I'm saying yes. I can go through and I can input my individual name if I really need to. And I have this information in, and I can actually go through and I can sign off on this as well. So again, quick and easy to do. If I have a photo or anything that I actually want to upload as a part of the observation, I can do that quickly and easily. But as soon as I'm done here, I'm going to submit this information in and I'm good to go. And here we have it, folks. It's already in the system. So now what we're actually going to do is we're going to flip over into the actual platform itself in a web browser and see how this looks. So team, I've actually logged back into our individual application itself, and we can see at the very top, here is the actual unsafe condition that we've actually logged in. And what we can see is the associated workflow based on the fact that it was something negative, it's already moved this into an investigation stage. So I can go through and I can have the system automatically start to move individual records along a workflow based on specific conditions. But again, you have the availability of going through, doing a complete investigation, associate your individual corrective actions, and have that information sent out quickly and easily. If it's something positive, again, you may want to do an investigation, you may not want to, but in that case, it would stay in under review until someone has taken a look at it, at which point you can move it directly to close. But the key thing here is, folks, is making sure that you're having your individual metrics essentially counted as they're coming into the system itself. So I'm just going to refresh my dashboard. I could start to see, well, all my positive versus negative observations. I could see some of my individual average aging at this point. I can go through and I can see the location of the specific incidents themselves. But quick and easy to do to actually get metrics into this, or individual reports into the system, and the metrics for your specific individual reporting functionality back out. So team, again, this was a quick view on observations. Should you have any questions, feel free to reach out to either myself or anyone on the Lifeguard Solution team. We'd be more than happy to actually have a conversation with you and really ensure that, again, you're getting the most value out of your solution. Anyways, folks, that's all for today. Have a good one and hope to be speaking to you soon.